Happy Mother's Day. I understand that sometimes we say that and you're glad to enjoy your day. When you have small kids, they can't do much for you. So you're still cooking, still having all the responsibilities, but it's still a blessed day. Why I say that is because he said every child is a gift from God. So God has chosen you to be a mother. It is a decision that God made. Doesn't matter the circumstances, he still made that the decision for you to be a mother. So I pray that in the pressures and the stresses that life can bring, my mom having 8 kids, and I being the 7th child, I see the cooking that needed to be done and all those things. And I understand those challenges may make you think, how could this be such a great blessing that brings me joy and happiness all the time? That's what the word blessing means. It is a blessing because you're investing in someone's life so that someone could be like me, and someone could be like many people around this world, around this country that is serving God or is doing great jobs in the secular community, that is doing great jobs making an impact in their community. They had a mom that raised them, that invested into their lives. So you are making an investment, and that investment, God says, has earthly blessing and heavenly blessing. It says this in 1 Timothy chapter 2, verse 15. But women will be preserved through the bearing of children if they continue in faith, love, sanctity, with self-restraint. You are blessed on earth and in heaven because you chose to be a mother. And I pray that as you continue to nurture the baby, continue to raise your children, continue to go through the pressures of trying to make them all you could see them having the potential to be, understand that investment you're making that leads to an eternal blessing that God uses to sanctify your life. Be blessed and stay focused.